News 3's first warning weather.
Good morning, I'm meteorologist Miles Henderson. Sunny and cooler to wrap up the week. We'll see highs in the 40s today and tomorrow. For the weekend, nice on Saturday. Lots of sunshine. We're going to warm back to the 50s again. Soggy weather on Sunday. Widespread rain builds in as we go through Sunday, so we're going to finish the weekend on a soggy note. As far as temperatures go, not too bad. We'll be a little cooler today and tomorrow, low to mid 40s, but then we jump back into the 50s, low to mid 50s for this weekend, right around normal for this time of year. Even early next week, we're near 50 on Monday, and we're going to climb up even more as we go through the midpoint of next week. So a very comfortable stretch for us for the week ahead. Today, looking good. We'll see lots of sunshine, just a few clouds mixed in as we go towards the afternoon and this evening. A little breezy. Those winds will kick up into that, say, 5 to 15 range throughout the day. So no troubles, but you'll notice it pick up a little bit. Some extra clouds tonight, but they clear out first thing Friday morning. So we're right back to the sunshine again as we go throughout the day on Friday. Here's Friday afternoon looking good. Even headed into the weekend, more sunshine. Here's Friday night. We're clear. Headed into Saturday morning. Nice sunny skies. Most of the day Saturday, we're going to see blue skies. So looking good there. Saturday is definitely the pick for your outdoor plans this weekend. That changes as we go into Sunday. You see the rain chances jump there. 80% chance on Sunday, a 40% chance Monday morning as this system exits. So there it is, that area of low pressure that'll slide across the south. You see the rain spreading in as we go through the day on Sunday. Should clear out Monday morning, so just some leftovers to kick off the work week on Monday. Here's a look at Sunday's timeline. Sunday morning should be okay. I'll give it about a 20% chance through the morning, but you see that build as we go through the afternoon, evening, to an 80% chance by Sunday night. So again, just kind of wrapping up the weekend with some wet weather. Could see over an inch of rainfall Sunday into early Monday. As far as temperatures go, 40s to 50s to 60s next week.